call Chloe.
Chloe, come here. Come here. Gonna do the same thing you did last time.
Betsy gonna get the doggy. Get the doggy, Bets. Here we go. Here she goes. Wah! Oh no, Betsy! Oh no, Betsy! Betsy, what are you doing with the doggy? Betsy bird! Betsy! Oh no, they're going in circles. Betsy.
What you doing? You doing the balancing act?
Betsy.
Hello.
Betsy, no,
Cheryl.
What? Uh-oh. Are they killing you? Are they playing?
Not yet.
Girls, you play with Auntie Shanda. Oh my God, I thought they loved you. There she's surfing. They surf on Larry. Look. They love t-shirts.